This is Rain Crafter here, and today I have a special guest, Dragonal.
Yeah, this is Dragonal speaking.
Hey, what
Also
about the little
remember,
kids?
Dragons Rock, Owls Rock too.
Hey, what
Owl
about the
City.
little kids? Okay, I have another special guest, my friend Bal.
Screw you.
And we have some uninvited special guests.
Sheila's sister.
Sheila's
And her friend.
and friend, I guess. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And we'll be doing a multiplayer survival.
Okay, I don't think the
It's
kids are
gonna be a series. It's a new series, and one day I'm gonna make also a multiplayer, not multiplayer, but survival solo. Okay.
Oh, screw you.
Okay, let's go. I make a new
Oh
world.
yeah, guys.
Shut up.
What's your other
I make it world 2 and
What's your other game?
Dumbo
Keep a
cow.
watch out for Rani server. He's online sometimes in school, so
And-
Screw this kid.
you can go and check him if he's playing, and you can
Okay.
connect his server.
Okay, I'm generating the world and don't mind any. Don't pay attention to Dragon Owl.
Tell them Rani sent you.
Huwag to, Miss Mamada.
Can I borrow?
No.
I'll
Hey,
just
Ran,
play
that kid you almost made
game.
cry.
Owl City
You
Rocks.
bring it up. You bring it up again.
It's just that
As you
it's
can
so
see now,
fascinating.
To hell with you all.
At the video, you see Rani and the fighting.
Come on, Rani. Don't do this to
To
us.
hell with you all.
No, I'm gonna do anything. I'm just gonna say Owl City.
Martin,
Call me Rain. God damn you.
I'm calling you Raincrafter.
Okay there.
Oh yeah, guys, Raincrafter is also good
Hell
in PvP.
no.
He's good in PvP. You can challenge him.
Challenge me to VP, guys.
Oh yeah,
play you
Eat
there.
your worlds.
No, that's Christian. That's Christian.
No,
That's
just Dota.
You know, guys, we made a song about, there's gonna be a movie called The Monsters University.
Starring Christian Glenn F. Beltran.
Yeah. Christian, you'd watch Christian's new movie.
Kids, please cover your ears for you would learn something.
Yeah.
Stop ruining Christian's moment of fame.
Yeah, you know, my friend Christian Beltran is posting a movie called The Monsters University.
Christian soundtracks like
Dubstep.
I will kill you
you.
now.
And the both of you, extended version.
And, you know, and the dubstep.
Shut up, Angelo.
And the dubstep. Woo, dubstep.
Stop ruining Christian.
Oh, falling, bravo.
Oh yeah, subscribe to Christian's Beltran's channel.
Hey, shut up, Dragonal. Ah, you suck, Dragonal. I'ma hit you for that. Christian Beltran. Woo. Okay, let's start.
Try to molest the sheep ko.
Ay,
Oh no, don't you ever try
Whoa.
molesting
Oh,
a
did I
rat.
teleport?
Love.
Wait, I'm gonna make some wooden planks. And
I do
some-
believe sheeps. I hope the new update says that sheeps can be eaten.
No, I don't think they're adding lamb chops pretty soon.
Yeah,
No,
I
I
don't
don't
think sheep can be eaten.
No lamb
In
chops.
true life,
Yeah, you can eat chips.
and rabbits for little food too.
Ew, no.
I ain't eating those
I
stupid
don't
rabbits.
like rabbits.
French people eat rabbits, right? French people who are
Oh,
listening
shut
to
up.
the video.
No one cares about the French people.
No, but you know this gonna get us sued.
Yeah, you know.
It's gonna get us sued.
Well, search in Facebook Balfloro. You can arrest him for stuff. Not us. We are innocent.
I am innocent.
We have respect in French people.
Yeah, I respect French people. You know, one
Hey, I'm a European.
Oh,
European.
he isn't. He isn't.
European.
He's a Filipino.
There's an American and Dragon Saul an Indian.
I'm not an idiot.
Okay. Okay, guys.
I am an
Mine na.
unknown nationality.
I am Raincrafter and hell,
Raincrafters from America.
I'm American. My friend Bal here is European, and Dragonal
Unknown.
here is
Unknown
Indian.
nationality. Oh, shut up. I'm not. I'm an unknown nationality.
Shut up, nigga.
Nigga.
Or racism is not allowed.
Ayaw lang.
I don't care.
Oh yeah, please forgive us for sometimes we are saying indigenous and words.
I can't say anything.
It's just that
Well,
we've grown so accustomed to the life here in
If
the
you're a
Apple,
Waray, if you're a Waray or a Filipino, you will understand.
Apple, yeah, sapling, yeah.
Okay, a chicken. I'm gonna kill this.
Okay, let's make the house. After we make the house, I'm gonna end off the episode.
Okay.
And I'm stuck, bitches.
Oh yeah.
Rani, don't say bad words.
Oh, we're too loud.
I am Raincrafter. I am not Irani.
Okay, Rain. I'll call you Rain. A drop of golden sun. Oh, you're into golden sun.
Shut up, Bal.
Should I call you Lab? Yes, screw you.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds awesome. Hey, Lab.
Hey, screw you. That's what Khalil calls me for.
Yeah, Khalil.
So as you can see, this has. If Irani looks up, you'll see that there's a dragon head.
Hey, Rani, here's your wife. Oh. Hey,
I
mom.
have no wife.
Liar.
Hey mom.
Oh, great na, Rani. You scared her away.
Oh, there's
Hell
zombie.
with you all.
What's a zombie? Oh my god, so cute.
Hey,
I ain't,
zombies.
you know, I ain't posting this vid on YouTube. All of you suck.
Oh yeah, can you record your one through USB or kailangan USB good?
USB.
USB good kailangan.
USB connector or
Just surot na lang.
I'm gonna make a furnace. At least I'm doing something done. Unlike both of you, doing nothing at all.
Hey,
There are no
I'm waiting
trees
for
here.
someone
Oh,
to text me.
sheep. I'll keep some sheep so you could have bed.
You're not even doing anything. You suck.
Oh, I'll kill a sheep so you can have a
You
bed.
biatch. You suck.
I'm sorry nature, but we need this for
Stop
our.
trying to molest the sheep.
I'm killing the sheep.
And
You
stupid
fucking
sheep,
bitch.
Stop trying to suck his dick.
What? Oh, dude. Okay,
Hell with both of you.
Sometimes YouTubers also do that. Am I right, people who are listening right now?
Okay,
It's
Angelo,
just
protect
regular
me.
behavior for you. For
Oh
a
wait.
European like me.
I'll just kill this sheep.
Americans everywhere.
Where?
I'm a
Where?
European.
Oh hell.
Don't believe,
No,
guys.
I'm American.
I am a Filipino.
A liar. You're an Indian, nigga.
No, I'm not.
Indian.
I can speak Filipino.
You know Filipinos are gonna kill us for this video.
I know. At least I'm saying that I'm a proud Filipino guy.
I'm moving to Spain.
Okay.
To hell with you.
wait. Before, full respect for Spaniards. I mean, sorry. Oh,
I remember our lesson 8 and 8.
Filipinos are the best.
The best. The
Yes.
best.
Yes.
Because they survived 20 years of how many years was that of torture?
300 years.
300 years of torture from Spaniards.
No,
Oh.
333.
Oh, shut up. No one needs the exact details.
It's estimated 300. So
See, we will be corrected by smart people, you know?
Oh, shut them up.
okay, guys, if you think this is a weird episode, just tell me in the comments below and I'll fucking delete this thing.
There is no dumb and smart people. There's only one
This is-
one type of
Don't
Yeah,
forget to subscribe.
Everyone is smart in their own way.
Raincrafter wants to be, once more legionnaires. He would be happy.
Shut up. I have no
Yeah, go with him.
Don't go to the Dragonal community.
Oh, screw you.
Just subscribe to him and don't watch his vids. He has no vids yet.
Oh, take that dragon out.
Yeah, no vids yet, pero yeah. I'll try my best to work hard.
Hey, what is this? Ew, it's glitter.
Hell no.
Glitter.
I hate glitter.
Glitter.
I couldn't tumaa once.
If you're a Filipino, Iran is a Waray, and Bali sa Waray, and I'm a Cebuano, so yeah.
You know, I'm actually Cebuano.
Oh yeah,
I'm pure Cebuano
Irani.
blood.
Pure
I don't think you aren't.
My blood is pure Cebuano.
No offense, Val, but I think you aren't, dude.
I'm pure.
Just to say, we aren't really that.
I'm not making a bed.
As far as I've observed, when you were in Cebu, people are really not singpa in Waray. For those who are listening to this, nagtatamay or teasing people. We weren't really like that when I was still in Cebu.
When you were still in Cebu.
But
You
now,
I'm pretty sure you haven't met my brother.
I'm sorry for those Waray who are listening right now, but
why you talking about Filipinos
I
now?
would feel
Screw
offense.
you.
Why you
We're not on the topic now.
Hell no, make your own house, bitch.
Wait, I'm opening the door.
Make your own house.
Okay.
Hey, Rani, stop saying bad words.
Well, we don't know, but this.
Yeah.
Hey.
Make your own house.
Oh,
I love
Rani.
dancing.
Sorry guys
Shut
about
them up. Rani, shut them up for good.
I love dancing.
You know, guys, this is the first multiplayer episode 1, and it seems like I'm the only one who did something productive here.
Here's some
I
wool.
know, right?
As you can see, Dragonau did nothing.
The Dragonau just
did
sat
nothing.
there,
You did
looking.
nothing, and I killed him. Yeah,
Not doing
I'm gonna steal your
anything.
stuff.
Yeah, I was giving that to you,
Yeah, goodbye. Make your own house, bitch.
Just send him to hell.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching this episode, and if you think it's a weird episode, just comment weird
I'm
in the
pretty sure
comments
I
below.
hope guys.
And subscribe to me, Raincrafter, and leave a like.
I'm pretty sure
It really helps out. No! Hell! 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 Oh!